This is Ramya. With this team building activities that we have done, we had a better chance of opening up ourselves, expressing ourselves in a better way. Uh, Through this, our communication has improved a lot, and we could able to share our thought process widely among each other, and vice versa. Like we could able to understand others' perception as well. Many out of box ideas and thinking has been good progress in this team building activities, and we really enjoy working as a team because when we go up to a companies, we'll be working in as a project. So this helps a lot in terms of working as a team and to express ourselves better, so that we could able to collaborate in future easily. Thank you.
Hello all, I am Saravana Kumar from Tirupur. I did my schooling and undergraduation in government organization and institutions. I did my masters in data analytics in at Bharatiya University at 2019. Now I'm working as a junior data scientist in Jan Computech India Private Limited. It's one of leading facility management company in US. When we're talking about the PBL in the sense project-based learning in teamwork with the teamwork. How that's improved in my life in the sense that before I get into the university, I was struggled more to communicate with somebody or anyone, and I didn't have the opportunity to talk with some people related to subject or anything, and I didn't get the opportunity to share my thoughts. So the project-based learning improved my communication and thought process and creativity, and the Chartworks gave me a wonderful insights about the problems, and that's helped me to get into the industry to elaborate more about the problems. So I recommended more the problem-based learning for the students to do by themselves with their teammates, because that will improve their own way. That will help to learn learn the things in their own way. If the professors teach something in one subject, the professor teach something in the one subject, that is the way the students will learn. Example, the professor teach the A to B is the going to straight way, the students will learn the in that straight way alone. But if the students learn by their own self, their perspective is different. Each one will learn in a different way, and each one will get a research in different way. And after that, the professors will fine tune their inputs and uh, fine tune their outcomes. In the sense that will improve their their knowledge and their communication and their presentation. When we have the opportunity to do work with as a team, as a teammate, and working with the teammates, when we're going to present something in front of 10 people or in class, that will improve our confidence to grow up more, and that will improve our confidence to talk more about the subject in front of all at immediate point of time. So in my perspective, the project based learning is helped me in lot way to get into an industry, and it's helping me now as well. Thank you.
I am Vijay Nalindran, student of first MSc Data Analytics, and I am here to give feedback on team-based learning. When I when I have entered data analytics, I literally don't know anything about the programming because my undergraduation is based on electronics. I felt difficult in understanding the concepts but madam gave us some assignment based on group activities. Due to these activities, we have discussed among our students. மற்ற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கூட நாங்கள் வந்து இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது அவங்க டொமைனை பற்றி நாங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். நான் எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸை பற்றி மற்றவங்க கிட்ட சொல்லுவேன். அவங்க வந்து அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து சேல்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராசஸ் பற்றி சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ நான் வந்து ஒரு ப்ராசஸர் வந்து எப்படி மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு நான் சொன்னேன்னா, அவங்க வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அது எப்படி சேல்ஸ் நடக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி காமர்ஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ வந்து எங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இன்ட்ராக்டிவாக நாங்கள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்குள்ளே இருக்கிறது வந்து எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. நாங்கள் எல்லா டொமைனை பற்றி நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். அப்புறம் வந்து நாங்கள் முன்னாடி போய் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ வந்து எங்களுக்கு நல்ல செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்துச்சு. ப்ரோக்ராமிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ் நல்லா இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆச்சு. டைம் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் நல்லா கிடைச்சிது. நாங்கள் வந்து குரூப் பேஸ்ட் ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணுறோன்னா நாங்கள் ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் வந்து ஒர்க்கை வந்து பிரிச்சுப்போம். இந்த பார்ட் நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன், இந்த பார்ட் நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்ட்டு. இப்போ ஒரு பெரிய ஒர்க்காக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நாங்கள் வந்து ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி செய்யும்போது எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் சின்ன சின்ன பார்ட் தான் கிடைக்கும். அப்படி கிடைக்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆகும்னா, நாங்கள் வந்து ஈஸியாக இந்த டைம்குள்ளே வந்து கொடுக்கணும்னா அந்த டைம்குள்ளே நாங்கள் முடிச்சிடுவோம். முடிச்சுட்டு நாங்கள் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம் மற்றவங்களோட. அப்போ வந்து எங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த நாலேஜ் ஃபுல்லாக வந்து எங்கள் எல்லாத்துக்குமே கிடைச்சிரும். கடைசியில் வந்து மேம் கிட்ட போய் நாங்கள் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணுவோம். மேம் வந்து நாங்கள் பண்ண மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து சொல்லுவாங்க. எதெல்லாம் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அகைன் வந்து நாங்கள் மறுபடியும் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ வந்து அவுட்புட் வந்து ரொம்ப சூப்பராக வந்துடும். தேங்க்யூ.
Hi, good evening everyone. Myself Venkat Rao. So I have completed my undergraduation in Andhra College, Vijayawada, and after that I joined data analytics in Bharatiya University, Coimbatore. So when before joining the data analytics, I know the thing only. So the field is going to be become a popular thing, either in the industry level or the research level or any other side. So where I have decided to join the data analytics and learn more. So in my undergraduation, I have started studying mathematics and statistics. So where I have some grip on the statistics, I will come to know. So if you know the statistics, then it is easy to understand that analysis very well. So where we started to focus on learning analysis as well as while we are learning in the university level. So as the coordination by the whole classmates or guidance by the faculty in the Bharatiya University or self learning or some other professors and the Bhubaneswar ma'am guidance, everything is going to be help to understand the things how it is going to be the outside, not only inside the university. So there if you think very well, the outside how the thing is going to be is entirely different from how the thing is going to be happen inside the university. So based on this learning where we started, where I have started to learn my own, that means the self learning. Yeah, the group learning also is okay, good, but where I have seen some people, that means they may can share everything whatever they thought, and some people they may not share. But where I have improved my communication skill, that means to learn English or to learn some other new language, that it was helpful me in the group learning. And not only that communication, where I have learned some other things, that means I can able to speak in the group. That means in front of me some other some nearly 50 to 100 members are there. Yeah, I can manage to speak, or I can deliver some content if I want to speak at any time. So these and all things I am not familiar before joining into the data analysis course. So once I have joined in this course, I learned some communication. That means as of now I am not perfect in the communication, but yeah, once I joined here, I learned something that is it was helpful to me when I came to the outside. So with this communication, so now I can able to manage some team members. So when I have that capability to manage some people under me in my office or some other people. So this one, that means to guide some people or to give some suggestions to junior, or to start the project in a proper way, that means step by step. So everything I have learned in the university level, the things. So as well as everyone perspective, the group learning is going to be very good. So as of my knowledge, group learning is also a one part, but it is not going to be give entirely complete learning or complete improving the skills. So with that group learning, we may need to spend some time to learn the new skills, based on the present situation, how it is going to be vary. That means whatever we are going to learn today, it may not tomorrow's thing or tomorrow's work may can vary. So we need to update based on that outside environment. So for that, self-learning is definitely needed with the campus learning. Yes, thank you, Tim.
Hello all, I'm Gomati. I'm doing my master's in data analytics, and we went through so many project-based assignments, group-based project assignments, and all these group works they helped us to learn many values like cooperation, team spirit, and sharing our ideas with our fellow members, etc. And it also encouraged the self-learning, and we were able to like Google some things like apart from the teachers thing, and it also enabled us to discover like deeper meaning in the content, and it also improved our thinking skills. And like each and every students they will have different views, and all these views and ideas when brought together, it'll it'll become an enormous advantage, and make actions more better. And that was proven by the group learning. And working in groups, it also enables us like from thinking from the others perspectives and improving our communication and shared work burden. And whatever we learn theoretically, we were able to put a hands on that. And like we shared our experiences, and we helped each other. And in that way, group based learning was very much good when compared to the self learning. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Tina. I'm a student from second MSc Data Analytics, currently doing my internship at Trivandrum TCS. Yes, as a student, group learning, group discussions, group projects helped me a lot to improve my host skill. It is a very important skill in this professional world. According to this group works, it will help us share our work burden also. Every one of us are not that much confident to talk in front of the society or in front of the classroom or in front of some audience, but through the small group works, group discussions, group projects, group learning, we are able to talk like that. That's what very important in in the case of group discussion and all. One another point is sometimes we don't know how to do a project. If it's a group project, we will get a lots of idea from different of people. So I think group work or group learning is far better than individual. Thank you.